TRIFIX is Roma's safest option for parents with children from 9 to 18 kilograms, approximately 9 months to 4 years old. The seat protects your child in the most common types of collision, a frontal impact, and these account for 40% of all collisions. TRIFIX limits the forward movement and reduces the forces on your child with a 5-point safety harness, which spreads the forces evenly over your child's shoulder and chest. TRIFIX also incorporates ISOFIX Plus and V-tethera, two advanced Roma systems that ensure your child's seat is as secure in the car as your child is in the seat. ISOFIX makes sure the base of the seat is easily and securely anchored, while V-tethera will control and absorb impact forces. As side collisions account for 20% of child car crash fatalities, we have enhanced TRIFIX by adding our SI pad technology to provide superior side impact protection. The SI pads cushion your child's shoulders and hips in a side collision, keeping them away from the impact. The deep, softly padded headrest also offers protection and support for your child's head. Wider ISOFIX connectors also limit the sideways movement of the seat in a side impact that reduces the forces on your child. As well as being our safest child seat, TRIFIX is also easy to use. The ISOFIX system anchors the seat directly to the car's ISOFIX connection points, while the V-tethera clicks into the third anchorage point. Indicators confirm that the ISOFIX catch arm hooks are properly engaged and that the V-tethera is pulled tight. TRIFIX has been designed with a number of handy features. The harness straps are conveniently stowed away in the harness retainers, and the buckle stays in the forward position, making it easy to place your child in and out of the seat. The height-adjustable headrest and harness are easy to adjust with one hand. The softly padded washable cover is easy to remove without interfering with the harness. The seat can also be easily transferred from one car to another. Your child will love the comfortable ride thanks to 4 recline positions, and you have the reassurance of having our safest seat for your child. TRIFIX is Roma's safest option for parents who have ISOFIX connectors and a top tether anchorage point fitted in their car. Roma TRIFIX, tomorrow's technology, today.